Hi everybody. If you are working on a heavy project and you find it difficult to preview what's happening on the screen, you should find some techniques to have a faster preview. One of the best ways to solve this problem is to adjust your preview settings. Here, the resolution of the composition is quarter, and it's fine, and I can use it. I can see it what's happening well. If I use full, let's now see the preview setting. Let's go to the main composition. Now, as you see, the preview setting is slow, it's not very fast. Although the workspace is very clean, but it takes some time to preview. And this is with a powerful workstation. If you are working on a lower computer, if you are working with a computer with a low RAM or if you are working with a computer with low RAM and processor, you will find the process more difficult and annoying. Waiting too long to see what's happening is very annoying and frustrating. Now, what should I do to make this process better? The first thing, I should reduce the resolution from full to third or quarter. Now, when I say it's quarter, as you see, I should make it here quarter also. Quarter mean quarter height and quarter width, so the preview is faster 16 times. If it's a half, it's half width, half wide, so it's 4 times faster. This is the first tip to reduce the quality of the resolution here in the preview and under the workspace. The second step is to skip some frames, for example 1 or 2. Although the preview will not as smooth as it was, but it's still okay. As you see, the preview has been loaded very fast now, because it's more faster 3 times by skipping this 2 frames and 16 faster by reducing the resolution to quarter. Another trick to use also is to use one of this adaptive resolution. I use adaptive resolution. Fast draft works well with some 3D rendering systems, and wireframe, which uses wireframe. Let's see the preview setting with off. Let's go and purge to clean all what have been saved. Now let's preview it again to see the fast preview. If I go to fast draft, it works well with some 3D rendering system, but as you see, the layers are not as smooth as of or adaptive resolution. Here it's more clean. You can try them as they don't work well in all cases, so you should adjust your preview settings if you are working on a heavy project to have a faster preview. Thank you and see you next lesson.